Hi guys, we'll be showing you how to put the A035, the Samsung phone, how to put it on factory reset. So just press the up button and the power button. Just keep holding it until it get to the you keep holding it, the up button and the power button, until it get to the the Android recovery. And the next thing you want to do is to go to wipe factory data reset. I don't know if you can see that the volume down is now really working, so just gonna be using the up button. So one more step, then this is what it says: wipe data factory reset. You just click it, power button, then it's gonna ask you to confirm if you really want to do that. Yeah, you press it one more time, then it's done. So I hope you helped somebody. All right, thank you guys.